For this video, I'm going to show you a complete routine that you can do that involves 3 tricks, and you can be in the setting of a break room, you're on your lunch, and everybody's just finishing up eating and you have a few minutes before you have to go back to work. So I'm going to assume that we're in a break room, and normally you don't have a card mat to do card tricks on, and you can actually just use a regular surface of the table, but for this video I am going to be using the card mat just for contrast purposes of the video. And we're going to assume that we have 3 co-workers, Brandon, Tara, and Zach, and I'll be showing them each one trick. So this is how the routine can go, and I'll put the link to the descriptions. I'll put the link to the videos on how to do each one of these tricks separately in the description of this video, in the order that I show them, okay? So this will be trick 1, trick 2, and trick 3. They'll be in that order. Okay, so I have Brandon, Tara, and Zach. So Brandon, would you like to see a card trick? Perfect. What I want to do is I'm gonna shuffle these, and then after I shuffle these, I want you to take these cards and separate them into 4 different piles on the table. Okay? Good job. Now, I want you to pick one of these piles, and that's the one we'll use. Okay, just take the rest of these cards. We don't need these. Go through this pile and pick out any one card you like. So for this trick, I'm just going to use my lunch bag. Empty it out here. So it's a completely empty bag. Now you went through here and picked out one card. You remembered it? Did you show it to Tara and Zach so they can see it too? Okay, you got the card? I'm gonna take the rest of these cards that you didn't use, I'm gonna place them in this bag. Okay? And then I'm just gonna mix them up. And now Brandon, take your card and go ahead and just drop it in the bag. Okay? Now I'm gonna mix them up, shuffle them in the bag, and I'm gonna try and find your card. You remember what your card was? Was it the King of Diamonds? Wow, pretty cool, huh? I know, I can't believe it's Friday already. I'm ready for the weekend. Any big plans? Cool. All right, now for this next trick, Tara, I want you to help me out here. I'm gonna shuffle the cards again, completely mixing them up. And I want you just to help me and go ahead and pick out any card you like. You like that one? Okay, show it to Brandon and Zach. Make sure that they have it, remember it. And then all I want you to do is put it right back on top of the deck. And I'm just going to lose your card somewhere in the middle of the deck. Okay? Now, for this trick, I'm gonna need the help of a magic card to help me find your card. And the magic card that I like to use is the Queen of Hearts. So I'm gonna go through and just find the Queen of Hearts. Let's see if I can find the Queen of Hearts. Perfect, there it is, there she is. Now, the Queen of Hearts is gonna help me find your card. However, if I were to just go ahead and put the Queen of Hearts in the deck, maybe somewhere like that, to help locate where your card is, you might think I'm cheating. So, in order to make it look like I'm not cheating, and make it harder for me, I'm gonna do it in the cover of darkness. Now I'll just use these napkins here, and I'm just gonna cover up the deck so there's no way I can see where I'll be putting the Queen of Hearts. Okay? It's a good thing I got extra napkins with my lunch. All right, that should be enough, right? You can't see through. Okay, now, there's the deck. Here's the magic card. Now I'm just gonna go in and stab the deck and see if I can find your card. Okay, let me try this quickly. I think I got one. Let me square the deck up. Okay. We don't need these anymore. Just throw these away. We don't need the ketchup. Put the ketchup away. Okay, now, you remember what your card was. You picked your card, random choice, any card you wanted. You showed it to Brandon and Zach. I have no idea. I never saw your card. Shuffled the deck, got out a magic card, Queen of Hearts, put it inside the deck under the cover of darkness. Have no idea what your card is or where it is. Looks like I did find one card with the magic card, the Queen of Hearts, right there. Now, Tara, what was your card? Was it the Jack of Clubs? Wow, pretty amazing. How'd you do that? Very well. Okay, now, Zach, for the next trick, I want you to help me out here. And I'll just mix up the deck again. And I'm just gonna go through the deck just like this, and I just want you to tell me stop anywhere. Stop right there. Okay, look at that card. Remember it? Got it? Brandon, Tara, you got it? Okay. Put it back in the deck. Don't forget it. And now, I'll just give the deck a few shuffles and put the deck back in the box. So now, Zach, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make your card magically jump from this box into this bag. And then I'll make it jump from this bag back into the box. You see it go? It's back in the box. Okay, just kidding. Now, really, I'm gonna take your card, which I have no idea what it is, and magically throw it in this bag. Do you see it go? Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's check out the bag. Let's see, in the bag I have, there's the ketchup, the napkins we used, and we should have a card. Wait, there's no card in the bag. Hold on, maybe it got stuck in the napkins. No. Uh-oh. Oh, wait a second. It seems that the ketchup packet's a little bit light. Could it be if I open this up? There is actually a card in there. Zach, do you remember what your card was? Was it the 10 of Hearts? And the crowd goes wild, and now you're clean, and you take your bow. Thank you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about routine videos, and I appreciate it. And until next time.